to Sun Chasers Gaming. Here we're gonna search for tornadoes now. No, because I really joined the game. Got tornadoes gone, which is sad. Where's others? Where's everyone? Wait, where's everyone? Oh, this brilliant. How many people are there in? Was there that many? Bruh, top G. I love top G's. This guy. And then the lights. Wait. Let me go back. I said if you haven't known why my car is not gray, I changed it. I changed the color. And I was like doing stuff. B. 12 miles per hour for that one. That'll be nice. Because now it's gone. 13 miles per hour. Huh? Fine. Number 19 hours. You see, open. Oh. Searching for I need. Wait, here's a 10. I need to go there. To there. Because it's like forming clouds right there. Let's go. I need more money to get one of the Dominators, like Dominator one that's from what I'm trying to get. It's only like 90. I only have 12 right there, if you can see it. See turn coming right ahead. Yep, turn. I missed the turn. Go back. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, hi. Sweet. If you haven't known, we're going to a new house. Let's turn the mic off so I'll be disturbed. Should I go straight? Yes. I'll turn my mic off again. back, dudes. Right. If you haven't known, again, I'm going to a new house. It's in Bradford. It's a long way. I'm in Portsmouth, Hampshire. But I don't know. I'm not telling you where I live. I'm just telling you what place I'm living in. Why is it going down? Oh, sun's coming. Going straight. If you are. Yes, you are. Moon is going down. I'm gonna miss the highway. I'm not American. I'm British. But Filipino. I speak a bit of American and also Filipino, but I know a lot of British. See a barn. Wonder if a tornado will form near to the barn, because that's what usually do. Tornado form in like a place with no mountains and a place that is flat. Remove my lights. There we go. Oh, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Oh my god. Oh. Passing over by the barn. Why even am I just missed the turn. I'll just go over there. I think there could be a road to the Lisa Hazelton. Yeah, where the weather station are. Yeah, weather station. Ignore what's happening in the background. This is my mom cleaning this place up because we're moving in. Eat. Alright. 10 right there. Turn. Oh god, it's really hard to turn in this game. Just gonna. There we go. Oh my god, what a. So green, cover up half of, almost of my, fully in a line, but not fully blocked my screen. I'm going to put something. Got the Hilton, that's a far. Oh, that's my overbot. Yep, we have a. Yeah. Alright, we're cutting right up. Turn. There. We're not gonna line it. Yep, we're lined up. No, we're not. We're moving a bit. Just wait a minute, clear cover. How about now? Oh yeah, I did. Oh, I got away now. Just ignore what's happening. I'm just trying to just disconnect. This is why I hate disconnecting. This is why I hate Roblox. This is why I hate Roblox for connection. Oh, I saw me falling. I mean, I was just like, the sounds. Eek. Shit. Oh, that's the same one. It's not. Come on. Come on. Toad. Top G. Honestly, I don't know. Messi. Stick. You've been color on back 2. Messi Steph 7. Leon says Steph 7. Honestly, don't know. Oh yeah. On the lotto. Wait, what? Oh, okay, we're good now. Ooh, we're inside a storm. Alright, you know what time is it? Go. Alright, you know what time is it? Storms chasing time. I don't know where I even am. Oh, I'm right in here. I'm gonna go to that green. Oh, yeah. There's a tornado right there. But it's gone now. Hope a tornado forms somewhere. What the? Yep, oh God, it's foggy. I'm gonna turn down the volume. It's kinda loud. So we won't be disturbed. Hey, where am I? Yeah, I'm in the black. Oh, we're in the yellow. Right there. Turn up. Wait, what? Go over there to there. Okay. Let's go. This is 0.2% of form like a tornado. We need to come there. Let's go. Why am I turning it back? Where's the hills? Oh, there's a hill. Oh, there's one behind me. Hope no tornado. I hope a big one forms. Is that what usually happens in every video I make? I just keep finding big tornadoes, which I'm so lucky at. Read these. Come on. Oh my God. I'm also a screen recorder, if you know. Yeah. Turn. Wait, what? Should I turn? No. Go straight, then turn. Robo! I call him Robo. Sometimes. This is the first time calling him Robo. Robo, what are you doing here? Oh yeah, he's usually cleaning his place up. He's the helper cleaner. He's cleaning this place up. Oh my God, what's even going on? He just got something. Wait, what? We're right there. No, yeah, right there. You need to turn right there. You should turn right here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go to the... Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm in the other bedroom. Let's go. We're gonna find a tornado. Ooh, look at this big cloud. There could be a chance right there. There could be a chance of forming a tornado right there. Oh, that's not. Cool. There's only a few hails. What's going to do like that? Oh my God, I need to turn it. Well, there's people coming this way. Oh, this is the place where I got like stuck from. Yeah, I was like so confused where I was in. Oh, here's the dodging. What did they? Oh my God! Why did they didn't? Why did they even added new updates to the car like wipers? Well, there's already wipers, but not moving. Oh, good thing I have that. Why I'm not moving? Lump dump. Come on, go faster! Car, come on! Go faster! Come on! We got to go! F in the chat. W for cameraman. Tiny cameraman. Yes. I love stupid shit. Oh my. Where's it no one? What? Is it? Oh, like the way. What's it? What is it here? Like 2 miles per hour? Let me see how we can go. 3 miles per hour? Yep, it's going. It's right here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We found, oh my god. Oh wait, well, I think I saw power flashes. Power flashes right there, I think. Oh my god, why is it so slow coming right up? Come on, alright. Go now. Alright. Go to speed up now. Dominator 3 is right there. Go! Go! You can do it! I believe in you, cars. Get faster. 8, 4, 4, 4. So there's 5. 8. I think it was like 5, I think. 4, 3, 2. Come on. 2. I need to go back to get more speed. I show speed. I show speed. I show some speed. Okay, not even mocking I show speed. The stuff I just speed, but not really a fan. But comment W for I show speed, because he's because he's sick today. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. No. No. I got to do it and walk. Come on. Good jump. Do that. Bombastic. Alright. Spawn. Come on. There. Oh, I was inside of it. Come on, don't even roll down, boy. Why am I rolling down? God. Why? Yeah. Yes, I said no. No! Why? This is the worst spot I ever put a car on. Don't even roll. Thank you. 4 miles per hour right here. I don't know what's even going on. Right, come on. We gotta walking. There it goes, my car. God, what? Why always this connection? I hate this connection. Oh, for sure. Twisted. Look at this poor car. Look at that poor car and that poor house. It's about to get destroyed. Go to this one. That poor car is getting lifted up in those poor house. It's getting destroyed. Plan your route according to get the best speed. It has an interesting history. Dominator 3. That's the one I saw. I'm trying to get Dominator 1. I think this will be the end. No, not the end. I need to find a perfect tornado. I know. That poor car is getting destroyed. Keep your heads up. Tornado can recycle and reform after dying. Wait. I'm not gonna. I don't want to die. Wait. You know how? Oh my God! Why does that tornado look like that? Like bleh. Come on, please. Thank you. Oh my God, we're in a storm right now. It's moving that way. It's going fast as possible. We need a follow time. fun time. Ready. Freddy. There's like a cloud roping out. Looks like a tornado. But it's not. Okay, let's go. I need to go there so fast as I can possibly be. Eep. 3. Going straight. And going so fast, I don't know why. Now I'm going 83 miles per hour. Oh, forgot. Storm chaser time. Let's go. Lump them. Oh, 26, 27. It's rising. Lump them. I said gonna go there. Where's even the tornado? Oh, right there. I need it. Oh my god. Oh, rotation. Rotation right there. I need to go. I need to turn around. Oh my god, what's going on? 41 right there. Oh, nice drift. Oh god. I think I need to go this way. I think that's unfolding. Come on. Here's a 40. It's rising. Yeah, it's rising. Yeah, it's rising. It's foggy. I can't see. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 47? No, 45. I missed. Have to either go this way or that way. Oh my god. Wait, is it going down? Yep, that's bad. If the sun is going down, means it's bad, real bad. Oh god, it's foggy. If I see red stuff, that means that's the tornadoes right there. Wait, what? Is it? No. Why is it falling down? No, we can't lose it. No, this is a big one. Where is it? God, rise. Yes, it's this way, straight ahead. Yep, it's going right there. It's right there. Hope I don't get struck. Oh my god! I saw my mom. Mama, why is my mom's hair in here? Get out of here. 18, 17. Why my car shaking? For a moment, for a brief second. It's purple means that's where the tornado is. If it's purple means that's the tornado where it is. Cause I saw it in like the donut screen. You get it. Alright, we have to go there. Oh my god. Let's see where I am, man. I'm right over here. Oh, the tornado behind. Tornado right there. Causing Sneed. Oh god. There's a big oh, so lightning. This is bad. Real bad. Purple right there. Let's go. You have to go there. First time seeing it. I don't know if I saw any. I'm not gonna run that over. It's bad in the load screen tells. Editor word documentary. Girl, I want to documentary this, but I can't. I don't know how to make a picture. Being also if you want to be a storm chaser, I think if you don't know, if you are a storm chaser, you can get some money. Only a few, like small amounts. Oh my god, it's broken. It's broken. The tornado swing is rising and going up and down. We need to go there. If it needs, oh God. We're gonna turn over there. Oh my God, it's rising. It's going up and down. Yeah. Oh, it's 31. Come on. Don't lose. Don't lose me. Oh, there it is. There it is. I saw it. It's right there. It's right there. In the distance. Oh my God. The tornado's in the distance. We need to go there. I'm going this way. I don't know. Yes, I see you turn. We're gonna turn this way. Turn. Gonna turn on my lights. There. Yep, the sun is slowly. It's sunsetting. It's sunset. It's sunset time. If the sun sets, it's bad. Oh, there's the moon. I see the moon. Ooh, power flashes. I don't know. Oh no, not this! We have to clean up. Delete. This always disturbs me. I hate that. I wish. I want to. This. Unstored. Come on, we need to go. Come on. No. God, that's why I hate it. This is why I hate really things so much. Another failed one. I hate it. Come on, you can do it. I'm crazy. This is why I hate disconnect and cleaning and no storage. I think this is the end, guys. We haven't got a perfect tornado, but we did. We'll find one. But bye, guys.